this slow motion video, I'm going to demonstrate picking up stitches. This is also called pick up and knit in a lot of patterns. If you'd like to see my regular speed picking up knit stitches video, go ahead and click the little eye in the upper right hand corner. I will also give you a link to all of my slow motion videos. I've been putting these out for very visual learners. I'm getting great feedback. Keep sending your suggestions. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate picking up and knitting where there are no stitches. You pick up and knit and kind of create stitches on the edge of your work, both on a bind off, which is the same as a cast on. Picking up and knitting is just the same, as well as on the side of the work. I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover so it explains what I'm doing while I'm doing it. Let's go slow-mo. I'm going to start with a cast on bind off row, and I'm putting my needle under both legs of the V. I'm going to grab the yarn that I'm using, leaving myself a bit of a tail. I'm going to wrap that yarn around the needle, and I need a lot of tension on the yarn for this. Pull that stitch through, and then we're going to pick up every stitch on the cast on or bind off. So under both legs of the V, wrap the needle, lots of pressure, lots of tension on the working yarn to pull that through. Subsequent rounds are a lot easier. And here in the corner, I'm going to jam a couple of stitches together pretty closely to turn the corner. Your pattern may have you picking up more than that in the corner. Now we're going to start working on the side edge. Almost. Now we're going to start working on the side edge. You want to make sure that you're picking up from the absolute edge stitches. And if your work is stockinette, it might be curling up a little, so make sure you uncurl it. You'll find a V at the edge of your work. Go under both legs of the V. We picked up every stitch in the cast on or bind off, but you usually don't need to pick up every stitch on the side edge. If you're following a pattern, it should tell you for the gauge in that pattern what to do. I always like to start off with picking up 3 and skipping 1 and see how that looks. If I was doing this and picking up a bunch of stitches around a corner like that, I used a DPN here just because it's short and it was all contained, but I'd probably want to use a circular needle, like if I was picking up all the way around a square or rectangular blanket, just to accommodate those corners. But for example's sakes here, this worked. Anyway, I hope that helps very visual learners. Good luck.